Let's draw Black Panther today. Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I create videos on my art and I tell you my tips and tricks as a professional artist. If that's something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Back to today's video. Came as a shock on Friday to know that Chadwick Boseman was no longer with us. The news came out of the blue. Nobody knew what was going on and nobody expected this. Yet here we are. 2020 claims another soul. I always liked Chadwick Boseman as an actor. I believe he's a fantastic actor, and the way he portrayed King T'Challa and as Black Panther was amazing. And I believe in the future movies, whoever is going to play the Black Panther is going to have a huge shoes to fill in. It's very saddening to know so many people have lost their lives to cancer, and still we are finding it very difficult to find a cure. And I'd like to help speed along the process in my own way by donating to the right foundation. And I'm yet to research on which foundation I should follow. So if one of you viewers are watching this video, do let me know in the comments below on which foundations I should research, get to know about, and probably donate to the cause. So start with, I'd like to begin with this tribute video of drawing Black Panther in my own style. Enjoy this video. This is the final sketch. I kept it pretty rough and I like the way it looks. If you'd like to have a detailed look of this artwork, I've posted it on my Instagram feed. Check it out over there. As always, thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.